Hello guys, welcome to the Old Fish 90s channel. Today we are going to see how to install Wget in Windows and using a Wget how to download files from the internet. So first copy this link, go to the browser and paste the URL and then click enter. Download the latest exe from this website and now the file got downloaded. Go to that folder, so copy this and go to this PC and then C drive. Go to program files and then create a new folder in the name Wget. Open this folder and paste the exe. Go to the system variables section and add a new path. So already a path is added. Same way you can also add the path and then click OK, 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 and then open CMD. So specifically downloading on the downloads folder, space node. So using Wget, I'm going to download a latest node file. So here I have the link. Copy this link, paste it here, and then press enter. The file is now downloaded. You can see that in the file explorer. So go to downloads. This is where I downloaded the installer. So that's all for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe and press the bell icon.